How to make natural Viagra. Unlike a synthetic drug sold in a pharmacy, natural products may be prepared using natural ingredients at home. They not only have a beneficial effect on potency but also strengthen the overall body condition. Ginseng root. When preparing tinctures to increase erectile function, it is recommended to use the plant root. Grated dry root 100 grams, water 500 milliliters, honey 2 tablespoons, cinnamon. Water is boiled. Ginseng is added. Leave it to cool, then move to a cool place protected from light. 2 days later, the infusion is boiled. The preparation lasts for 4 hours on low heat. You need to add honey and cinnamon 10 minutes before the end of cooking. When the infusion is ready, it is placed in a dark place for 3 days. Take the infusion in half a glass twice a day to restore male power. Nettle leaves. Fresh nettle can be dried 50 grams, water 250 milliliters, honey, to better taste. Chopped leaves need to pour with boiling water and place in a thermos for 30 minutes. You can add a spoon of honey for taste. You should take a natural substitute for Viagra 40 to 60 minutes before the intended sexual contact. Walnuts. Experts advise eating no more than 3 kernels of this product per day. You can prepare Viagra at home not only from walnuts but also cedar nuts and even peanuts. The easiest way to cook is to take a small amount of the product, add honey and use it as a dessert every day. The combination of these two components helps to restore a weak erection. Watermelon. Watermelon 5 kilograms, lemon 1%. The berry is peeled in such a way that its white part remains. Similar to the effect of Viagra, citrulline is contained directly here. Then squeeze the juice or grind it up in a blender. The resulting mass, about 1 liter of watermelon juice, is put on the fire and boiled. After that, lemon juice is added and left to boil on low heat until the volume of the mixture is grown twice less. The resulting product is poured into a glass container and stored in the refrigerator. You can take such a cocktail every day for 2 tablespoons before meals or an hour before sexual intercourse. Goji smoothies. A goji-based smoothie is mainly made as a tonic to improve sexual desire and endurance, as the berries have antioxidant properties. 1 peeled banana, 1/2 cup of dried goji berries soaked for a couple of hours in warm water, 10 grams of ginger, 1 cup almond milk or non-fat yogurt. Banana cut and placed in a blender, softened goji berries are added, add yogurt or almond milk, mix until the mass becomes smooth. Poppy smoothies. At the top of the list of huge benefits of natural Viagra drink is an increased level of testosterone and a huge boost that it gives to increase libido and fertility. 1 tablespoon of dried powder of Peruvian maca, 1 to 2 frozen bananas, 1 apple or pear, 1 cup of yogurt or almond milk. Put diced frozen bananas and apple in a blender, add yogurt or almond milk, add a tablespoon of poppy powder, mix until the mixture is smooth. A woman can prepare natural Viagra at home. Chocolate is an aphrodisiac. This product contains amino acids that promote the synthesis of pleasure hormones. Prepare a mixture of walnuts, almonds and honey. A few dessert spoons of this product a day, and after a few weeks, you will see that natural female Viagra awakes your sexuality up. Popular female pathogens are seafood, which is also a source of beneficial protein. Regularly eat shrimp and oysters to improve your reproductive health. As popular female stimulants, some berries can be used, strawberries and black currants. In order to increase sexual attraction and sensitivity of the genitals, it is recommended to use such products fresh. In extreme cases, they can be added fresh to the dessert. If you want to enhance sexual desire, try some of these things.